Flavia Barreto will be featuring the sounds of Brazil to Consuelo's Kitchen in Maui, located in Paia town. Enjoy the beautiful sounds of Brazilian music by Flavia Barreto on guitar and voice. If you are on the beautiful island of Maui, from 6:30 p.m, swing by Consuelo's Kitchen in Paia, Maui. Enjoy the sounds of Brazil with Flavia Barreto and delicious food from Consuelo's Kitchen. Call for reservations at 808-283-1502 in Maui, Hawaii. Flavia Barreto and the sounds of Brazil, bossa nova, samba, pop, jazz, blues, international, and much more. See you there for this wonderful experience. Support the arts in Hawaii. Aloha.
Thank you.